Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel once again. This is Crude Loot, and today I'll be showing you how to install a sticker on your vehicle. To do your task, you're going to need a car, a microfiber towel, maybe two, some isopropyl alcohol, water, just because it's a little, hot, and your sticker. Today we'll be installing this Don't Lose Sight sticker on my 1999 Honda Prelude. And to those who don't know, the Don't Lose Sight sticker can be bought at the itsjustasix.com website. This sticker is made by a YouTuber, in fact, who is an inspiration to me. So today we'll be installing his sticker on my car. Now some of you may have seen stickers installed on bumpers or trunks, but today we'll be installing it on the window. First thing we're going to want to do is take our microfiber cloth, put it down in the trunk, take some rubbing alcohol, pour it on the cloth, make sure the cloth is wet, and we'll go to our location where we want to install the sticker. Today we're installing the sticker here, so we take our cloth and we start wiping the window down. See that big difference? You see how it goes from dirty to clean? And what we'll just do is we'll keep wiping it down, and once the window or our projected area is clean, we'll move on to the next step. Next step, what you want to do is open your water bottle and take a drink out of it. It's 103 degrees outside. Make sure you stay hydrated. Last but not least, you want to take your sticker and get it ready. We know we're going to put it over here, somewhere around this corner.
Hey guys, it's Crude Loot, and I might have made a little boo-boo while producing this tutorial. Basically, the camera had cut out while I was installing the sticker. I do apologize that you guys were not able to see this very crucial part of the tutorial. However, though, I did make a follow-up clip that'll follow this on theoretically how you would install it. Moving forward from now on, I'll try to pay more attention to the camera so this doesn't happen as often.
I didn't notice installing the sticker. The final product will look like this. What we'll be doing to get to this final product is you'll take your sticker, so pretend the rest of the sticker that came with it. What we did in the earlier clip before it cut out is align the sticker, left the sticker on its own, walked back and saw what the sticker looked like. Once we liked what it looked like, what we then did was peel the back off the sticker. Once the backing peeled off, we just put it in the corner like this, took a arcade game card, put it down the corner, pushed a little bit on it, and then peeled the rest of the sticker off. Once the rest of the sticker came off, then we began to push all the air bubbles out of the way, and the sticker is there.